Okay, Brian from Garage Mahal. Have my 2025 Ram 1500, and I have it on jack stands, and I'm getting ready to put these front tow hooks in here. To my amazement, I got the tow package, but it didn't come with the front tow hooks, so I'm not quite sure what happened there. Anyway, so you get 2 bolts, you get some bushings, you get these pass-through eyelets that will replace that right there. So kind of a good fit, it looks like. And we go from there. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the driver's side or left-hand side, I guess blank that goes in there, blank cover. So it's got these 3 pass-through tabs. I'll show you what it looks like underneath. And this kit, this actually does not fit that, and I tried calling the dealer to see if there's a replacement piece. There is not. The hook just kind of like sits in that bumper. I guess this is kind of like a rough black plastic anyway, so it's not going to get all marred up like the paint would below it, but I guess that's just how they make it. So let me show you what it looks like underneath. Okay, so this is the alternate hole that you're putting a tow hook bolt through, and then that's the one you remove. This is your air dam that you have underneath, which I didn't know this vehicle had. So if you have it, great. If not, no big deal. But that is an 18 millimeter. Okay, so this bolt is rather long, so you got to kind of like work it around the air dam. It's probably about a 9-foot bolt right there. Okay, then you want to take your tow hook and you want to put it through the front. And this definitely takes 2 hands, but that kind of gives you an idea how the back piece will fit in. And then you will be able to see the eyelet over here. So let me just kind of get those bolted in there. Okay, tough to get the angle, but that back bolt, basically what I did is, this is one included in the kit. I tightened it down a couple threads. You put the U-shape horseshoe looking piece in there, and then I'm gonna line this up here. So that is that rubber grommet that comes with it. So we're gonna put the other long bolt that we took out in. So again, tough camera angles, but hopefully you kind of get it. Okay, so mounting is done, and that is not as tight as I thought it was going to be, but it's not moving, probably because that bolt's going to take half the force on it. But that is kind of, before you tighten that black one down, this one seems like it has a little play back and forth, but again, it's there, it's in, it's mounted, good to go. And that's what it looks like from the other side, and that's nice and tight. So there you go. Then basically rinse and repeat on that side. I did use a swivel on there to make things a little bit easier to get in there to torque it down. But anyway, nice look. Now you have front tow hooks on your 2025 Ram 1500 pickup. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.